In Brazil, Jair Bolsonaro wins the first part of voting in the presidential election, with Fernando Haddad coming in second. The two candidates will face each other in the final vote October 28th. In Beijing, China's Public Security Ministry says missing Interpol chief Meng Hongwei has resigned and is being investigated for corruption. And Turkish officials say missing Saudi Arabian reporter Jamal Khashoggi was killed last week at Saudi diplomatic offices in Istanbul. Saudi officials deny the report.